Okay, this is a probability deck of cards problem. So we have two parts. In the first part, we're randomly drawing just one card. We want to find the probability that we get a diamond. Well, you can think of it, guys, as how many suits are there in a deck of cards? There's clubs, aces, um, no, there's clubs, spades, diamonds, and hearts, right? That's it. There's four different suits, they call them. How many of them are diamonds? A quarter of them are diamonds, right? Because there's four different suits. So it's just one out of four, right? One out of four of them are diamonds. Or you could figure out, if you actually went through the decks and counted, there's 13 diamonds out of 52, and that also reduces to one out of four. Okay? How about for part B? Now, for part B, we're randomly drawing two cards, so there's two trials. So when there's more than one trial, you got to use multiplication in your probabilities. So let's figure it out. First time you draw from this deck of cards, you want to find the probability you get a king first. So let's see, a king first. Isn't that there's four kings out of 52 cards? Right? There's four kings out of 52 cards. So then you take that king and you put it aside, and now you draw a second card. So when you draw the second card, you only got 51 you're drawing from, right? And you want to know probably that it's a 2. Well, there's still four 2s sitting in that deck because you took a king out in the first draw. You didn't take a 2 out. So at this point, I think you just have to multiply. Probably a good thing to do first is maybe to simplify if you can before you multiply. It makes things easier. Plus 4 out of over 52 is 1 out of 13. Now it makes it life a little easier. 1 times 4 is 4. 13 times 51 is 663. And you can't reduce that anymore. So I think that's it. So remember, if you're drawing two cards, you think of it as two trials, and you have to use multiplication. Hope it helps.